But right now, if you go to see, everything is going very well in Congress. All the people who are fighting against each other, एकमेकाक झगडटाले ते सगळे जाण एकठांय बसून सध्या इलेक्शनाक तयारी करता आनी तेन्नाच पळयत जाल्यार ट्रोजन डुमेलो बॉम्ब घालता.
खंय घालता बॉम्ब हांवें? आय स्पीक द ट्रूथ, इट इज बॉम्ब.
Was it required at this particular time?
I was asked, no. I took a press conference. What I'm supposed to tell? That I'm fixed up with the BJP, therefore I'm not talking.
I'm silenced because I'm not happy with these guys.
I exposed, no. I explained what it is.
So was your conduct right according to you?
Of course, it is in the interest of the party.
Interest of the party.
That show me, no, you're saying anti-party. Why you did not quote it? What was the anti-party? Why did you not send me a show cause notice? Why did you not mention it in the expulsion?
So do you think कि जेन्ना तू काँग्रेसीन जॉइन जालो पळय न्ही, was it your mistake that you are getting associated with that party which has such kind of leaders?
I don't say it was a mistake, but at that point of time they gave me a freedom to attack the BJP. See my press conference. Of late they have stopped everything. Now we have a, see, there was a press conference held in Margao by Fatorda group. I went and addressed it regarding the alliance. I told them very clearly, this is all fixing going on. And the LOP is not interested in a majority, he wants a outside crutches so that they will dictate terms, and that is what has been now exposed by none other than an ex-chief minister of the Congress
I
party.
remember your Fatorda press conference wherein you had said before municipal elections कि Digambar Kamoth is joining BJP and Alex Reginald is not going to get ticket.
Yes, and that is what is happening.
But
Like
both are wrong.
No.
Both are very much in Congress.
Definitely not wrong till the date of elections.
What next for you? You said, I'm here right now.
I am here, I will take my call. I will see, I have said in 2017, I will not no more in electoral politics. But I will continue to be in politics and I will continue to speak the truth. Whoever, nobody can silence me.
But तुमचे एक
Whether it is my party or whether it is BJP or it is any party for that matter.
No, you-
and that's my been my what do you call that profile. I have not kept quiet. Whichever party it may be. You know it.
your profile says that you have been into almost all the parties except BJP.
Now I will come to. No, that also I was mistaken.
You are in BJP also.
In the beginning, right in the beginning.
Right
Yes,
in the
I have
beginning.
no shame to say that. Listen to me.
Okay.
I have not been elected. 1 minute. I have not been elected and therefore I have not betrayed anybody. Number one. Number two, as much as you have a right to vote for any party that you want, I have a right to do the same. I do it publicly, you do it secretly. What is wrong?
Ideology?
What is the ideology? My ideology is to fight for the people of Goa. I am not going to allow anybody to take the people of Goa for a ride. See, I have joined the TMC for one simple reason. First of all, I was in the Congress fighting the BJP tooth and nail. But suddenly they found me, they kept me on hold. Because they, I believed, were trying to sell power before coming to power. However, I saw that Trinamool Congress is sincerely all out to uproot the BJP. And I am not come for any ticket. I am not interested in electoral politics. This I have said it earlier and I continue to do it. I have come here that I have got a platform to fight with sincere people or sincere political party headed by Didi, who is all out to uproot the BJP. And today it is an all India scenario that is happening, that everyone feels that it is Didi who can be an alternative to the present national scenario. However, I would like to tell all the parties that are trying to get the space that I am not going to speak about of my previous party. What I have to speak, I spoken when I was in that party. I spoken after I being expelled. But now if they feel that they can interfere with the Trinamool and try to give bogus news to people or against our leaders or against our party, I will not hesitate to peel them like onions to the core, expose them to the people, because once you peel them like onions, I think everybody knows when you peel an onion, you don't want to see the onion anymore. That will be the state. So let us keep us aloof, leave us alone. We will fight the BJP and see that the misery and suffering to the people of Goa will be minimized, if not totally rooted, by uprooting the BJP and installing a Trinamool Congress. And therefore, I appeal to the Goan electorate to understand what is happening not only in Goa but in the entire country, and therefore support Trinamool, the only party. Don't go in for coalition, don't go in for, there will all be power blockage. Save Goa, हटाओ बीजेपी, लाओ तृणमूल कांग्रेस सत्ते पर. थैंक यू.